Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your purchase history on the Smiths app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and see what groceries you might have ordered or double check if you've ordered anything. How do you actually go ahead and find your purchase history? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Smiths app. Next, click on the upper left-hand corner, your profile icon. Now, the first window that you're going to see here is View Purchase History, so click on that. Then this is going to show your purchase history on the Smiths app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your purchase history on the Smiths app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.